Hey, Sadie and Jose, welcome to lesson 11.3. We're still talking about life insurance. So now we're talking about settlement options. Okay, so you're going to see what that means from the reading. So let's go through and read it and understand what they're talking about. Okay, if you are a beneficiary of an insurance policy, so now we can already see this is talking about the perspective of you're the person receiving the benefits from somebody's life insurance. So someone in your family probably has died at this point. That's what this is saying. And you're supposed to be receiving the money from the life insurance policy that they had bought. You may collect the death benefit in several ways. So now it's your decision how you're going to collect this money. Most beneficiaries choose to collect the full face value in one payment, which is known as the lump sum payment. Okay, one de un solo, you get all of the money out of it. If the policyholder had an outstanding loan on the policy, the amount of the of the loan would be subtracted from the face value. We've talked about that before. Before the person died, they had taken a loan out first. You're not going to get all the money then as a beneficiary. You're just going to get the money subtracted after the loan. You may decide to leave the money with the insurance company and let them invest the money for you. You will then receive the face value of the policy plus any interest it has earned when you do decide to receive the death benefit. Okay, so if you don't need the money right away, okay, you already have the money to pay for the funeral or somebody else is paying for the funeral or different things like that, you can say, okay, let's keep the money in there and let's let it grow a little bit if they're offering a good interest rate. Another choice is to collect the money as an annuity. What's an annuity? Look what it says. An annuity is a specified amount of money which is paid in equal payments at regular intervals such as monthly. So an annuity is a different source of monthly income. You're not working for the money, but an investment that you had is paying you money monthly because maybe you say to yourself, well, if I get it all at one time, I'm going to spend it. I would prefer to get little chunks every month. There are several ways that you can receive an insurance annuity. You may choose a fixed amount that will be paid each month as long as the insurance money plus interest lasts. Or you may want monthly payments for a fixed number of years, such as 10 years. Okay, the insurance company will then determine how much you should be paid each month. Okay, so there's your other option. Inside that option is that different ways that you can get the monthly payment. You could also take an annuity for your lifetime. Okay, the insurance company will pay you as a certain amount each month for as long as you live. The amount depends upon your sex and age at the time the annuity payments begin. If you die before the funds are depleted, the insurance company keeps the excess. Of course, if you live longer than expected, you will still continue to receive the monthly payments until your death. So it's a risk being taken, but they may be giving you a good amount each month. The risk is that you die before all the money is taken out. The benefit is they're going to keep paying you even if all the money is taken out if you live longer than they thought you were going to live, okay? The last choice is to receive a life annuity, which is guaranteed. For a certain number of years, such as 15 years, you would receive a monthly check into your death. However, if you die before the end of the guaranteed period, your beneficiary would continue to receive the monthly checks until the guaranteed period expired. Okay, so in that case, what's the difference between a life annuity, which is guaranteed, and a fixed number of years one? Okay, they both have a fixed number of years, but if you die before the fixed number of years is up, the life annuity will continue to pay to your beneficiary. The fixed number one would just take the money. Okay? I mean, pardon, that's in the lifetime one. In the lifetime one, they would just take your money if you died and there was still money left in the fund. Okay? So those are some options of what you could do if you were the beneficiary and you needed to know what to do with that money. Okay? Look at the monthly annuity settlement per $1,000 unit. This is just the chart that they go by. If you're doing the fixed number of years, this is how much you're going to get a month. Okay, based on how many units the person had bought. Look at the asterisk at the bottom. For female, use the same rate as a male who is 5 years younger. Okay, so if you're a if you're a female at the age of 50, you would actually look at the rate of a male at the age of 45. Okay, and we're going to get practice in that right now. Look at model problem number 1. John Whitby became the beneficiary of a $25,000 life insurance policy when he was 50 years old. He decided to receive an annuity in the form of lifetime payments. So you already know you're going to go to the blue chart. You're going to look at the lifetime payment section. We're looking for a man who is 50, which means that the life annuity payments are going to be $5.36 per $1,000 unit. He did not want any guaranteed years, so he's not going with 15 years guaranteed. He's going with that $5.36. How much did he receive each month? Well, it's $5.36 per unit. He had a $25,000 policy, so he has how many units? 25. So you do $5.36 times 25. So his monthly payment is going to be $134. That's not bad. Okay, it's just extra income. Okay, it's not what he's going to live on, but it's extra income. He did not, no, next one. If Mr. Whitby lived for a full 18 years after the annuity began, how much did he receive in all? Okay, well, it's a lifetime one, so they're going to keep paying him for 18 years, right? So what do? He's making $134 each month. There's 12 months in a year, so 134 times 12 is going to give you that in a year he's going to get $1,608. And then he lived for 18 years, so it's 1,608 times 18, which is $28,944. Okay? That life insurance policy wasn't that bad. Okay, look at number 2. Cynthia Norsworthy became the beneficiary of a $50,000 life insurance policy when she was 33 years old. The policy holder had an unpaid loan of $4,000 on the policy. Okay, so automatically speaking, it's $50,000 minus $4,000 is $46,000. That's how much her policy is now, $46,000, because they had to take the money out for the loan, right? She decided to receive the money in a fixed 15-year annuity. How much did she receive each month until the expiration of the 15 years? Okay, remember that on the fixed number of years, it doesn't go by how much, what is your age. It goes by how many years you want the annuity. She wanted the annuity for 15 years. So you look at the 15 years, and it's $7.62 for the amount of money for the, per unit, right? So she has how many units left? Well, she did 50,000 minus 4,000, so she has 46,000. So that means 46 units left. So you're going to do $7.62 times 46, because that's how much she's going to get each month for 15 years, which is $350.52. Not bad at all. Okay, look at number 3. Althea Dominic became the beneficiary of a $150,000 life insurance policy when she was 40 years old. She took the face value in one lump payment and invested the full amount in an investment that paid 9.5% simple interest. So here's a person that really knows her investment, because she thought to herself, let me investigate this. Is it really smart of me to take on an annuity, a lifetime payment, a fixed amount of years, or should I just take the money out and put it into a better interest rate? And that's what she decided to do. She found a 9.5 simple interest rate. That's a pretty good interest rate. She left the principal in the investment, but she received the interest annually. How much interest did she earn annually? Okay, well, that part's easy because she has $150,000 in the face value, right? She took it in one lump sum payment. So she has $150,000. So it's I equals PRT, right? This part we should put on the board. I equals PRT. Principal is $150,000. R is 0.095, right? Because it's 9.5%. The T is 1 year, because she's looking for annual interest. So when you multiply that all together, she's getting annual interest of $14,250. That's pretty good. Okay. B, how much does she earn monthly then? Divide this by 12. That's all you have to do. $1,187.50. C, if Althea has chosen to receive, if she had chosen to receive a lifetime annuity, how much would she have received each month? Okay, well, she has 150 units, right? If she kept her money in and she decided to do a lifetime annuity, she has 150 units. She's a 40-year-old woman, so you need to go to a 35-year-old male, right? Subtract 5 years. 35-year-old is $4.10 per unit for each month. So that's $4.10 times 150, which is $615. So what's better? Did she do the right thing? Well, it's the comparison of $1,187 to $615 a month. So which one do you think she did better? Finding a new interest rate. That was very smart of her. Okay, look at number 1 on the exercises. Your answer is going to be $780, just so you know, so you can check yourself. The rest of it, I can't give you the answers to, or it's not going to help you understand the rest of it. So if you have any questions you want to check and answer with me, just let me know. Bye, guys.